Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Amira Nazra binti Nazmi, PC 85. My video assignment topic is Prader-Willi syndrome. Okay, what is Prader-Willi syndrome? Prader-Willi syndrome is a rare genetic disorder that a number of physical, mental, and behavioral problems. A key feature of PWS is constant sense of hunger that usually begins at about 2 years of age. Okay, people with PWS want to eat constantly because never feel full, meanings of hyperghagia, and they usually have trouble controlling their weight. Many complications of Prader-Willi syndromes are due to obesity. Okay, next, here's the signs and symptoms of PWS. First is hypotonia. What is hypotonia? Hypotonia is decrease of muscle tone. Means is muscle dia lemah. Next, usually found in infants. Third, not have a strong sucking reflex. Fourth, thin upper lips. Fifth, they have difficulty walking up. Sixth, cries are weak. And lastly, some are born with shaped eye. Okay, here's the process of PWS. Uterus and birth, childhood and adulthood. Uterus and birth, it reduces fetal movement, frequent abnormal fetal position. Hypotonia. Childhood is intellectual delay, poor physical coordination, speech delay, delayed puberty. And adulthood is infertility, sparse pubic hair, hypotonia, and obesity. Okay, next we move to causes. Causes, PWS is a genetic disorder. All genes come in pairs. One copy inherited from your father, paternal genes, and one copy inherited from your mother, maternal genes. Most type of genes is one copy is active or expressed, then the copy also is expressed, although it's normal for some types of genes to act alone. Certain paternal genes that should be expressed are not for of these reasons. Paternal genes on chromosome 15 are missing. There's some error or defect in paternal genes on chromosome 15. The child inherited 2 copies of chromosome 15, the mother, and no chromosome 15 from the father. The complication of PWS: obesity, inadequate hormone production, and other complication. Okay, obesity first is type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and heart disease. Next, inadequate hormone production is sterility, osteoporosis. Next, other complication, effects of binge eating and reduced quality of life. Next slide is pictures of complication, and then here's the prevention. The prevention of PWS is, if you have a child with Prader-Willi syndrome and you would like to have another baby, consider seeking genetic counseling. A genetic counselor may help determine risk of having another child with Prader-Willi syndrome. Okay, next we go to diagnosis. Typically, doctors suspect PWS based on signs and symptoms. A definitive diagnosis can almost be made through a blood test. This genetic testing can identify abnormalities child chromosomes that indicate Prader-Willi syndrome. Here's the treatment. First, good nutrition for infants, sex hormone treatments, weight management, mental health care, other treatments, and various therapies. Lifestyle of Prader-Willi syndrome. Learn about Prader-Willi syndrome. Stick to a strict meal plan. Kena fokus. Encourage regular daily activity. Set limits and schedule regularly. The medication of Prader-Willi syndrome is noditropin, somatropin, aspirin, and corticosteroid. The indication of noditropin is adult and childhood onset growth hormone deficiency. Somatropin indication is used to treat growth failure in children and adults who lack natural growth hormone. Aspirin indication is used to treat pain and reduce fever or inflammation. It is sometimes used to treat or prevent heart attacks, strokes, and chest pain. The conclusion is complex multi-system disorder. Patient can be affected by various problems. Therefore, precise diagnosis is fundamental to guarantee optimal assistance. Each patient should undergo personally tailored treatment from birth. Okay, here the reference that I saw from Google. That's all from me. Thank you.